Hey everybody, this is Dr. Blake Cason, chiropractor in Denver, North Carolina. Today we're going to be talking about most common questions. So one of the most common questions I get asked almost on a daily basis is, do I do massages? And the answer is no. I'm a chiropractor, not a massage therapist. So let's talk about chiropractic today. So most common symptom that I see a lot, headaches. People get them, they suffer from them, and it basically ruins their lives. And they'll do just about anything to get rid of them. So when they come to see me, we look for the most common ones that we're going to see are the migraine headache, the tension headache, or the sinus headache. And a lot of times we'll see these are coming from the neck. There's a misalignment in the area, usually the upper portion of the neck, that can really inflame that area and also cause really bad muscle spasms, creating a headache for that patient. One that's really popular right now here in the spring is the sinus headache. And you're asking, what does the sinus headache have to do with the spring? Well, when you look out on your car in the morning, you're going to see a thin yellow, maybe a thick yellow film of pollen. And there's a lot of people around here that are somewhat allergic to pollen. And what they see with those types of headaches from that allergy, congestion and pressure and pain all through this area. And this is the most common area that we see is the congestion through the nose, pressure and pain around the sinuses in this area. So what I look for to adjust that patient is we start making sure that the top of the neck is functioning properly so the brain can speak to the rest of the body without any interference. And what I'm doing is I'm not getting rid of the allergen, and I'm not curing the allergy. What I'm doing is I'm improving the body's response to that allergy. So when the pollen enters the bloodstream, gets in there, it causes inflammation, the body responds with congestion and kind of getting puffy and inflamed. What I want to do is improve the body's response to that by adjusting in this area and improving the immune system to deal with that. And I have plenty of patients that are tired of the nasal sprays and the pills and whatever else is out there to help with that, because usually the allergen and the sinus congestion leads to a sinus infection, and those are really bad. So right now we're going to take a look at the sinus adjustment. All right, this is one of our patients today, one of our sinus headache patients. What we're going to be doing is adjusting the neck to help with his sinus issues. So the allergy is usually up through here from the pollen. And what we're going to do is we're going to reduce the inflammation in the body's response to that allergen and its reaction to that allergen. We're going to make it not as severe and increase the brain's message to the rest of the body, because it starts here in the brain, that's what's controlling everything, and it sends it right through the neck into the rest of the body. So for his sinus headaches, we're going to be adjusting the top of the neck, and that's where a lot of the headaches come from. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do now. Good there. And let's clean up the bottom through here. Good. And for one more thing that we do for the sinuses, this is our instrument called the Activator, a little percussive device. We're going to go right around the orbit here and take care of that inflammation through there. So go ahead and close your eyes, breathe through your nose, good. 2 here, and across the cheek. Good, deep breath in. And that's it, and that's how we get them better. So if you have any questions, please call our office. We can help you with some of these symptoms that you might be having and show you how chiropractic really helps to keep our patients well. Once again, it's Dr. Blake. Stay tuned.